Mula taong 2004 hanggang ngayon, pinahanga niya tayo sa kanyang galing bilang isang showbiz talk show host. But how well do we know Miss Pia Guanyo? Here are the 7 interesting facts about her. 1. Isa siya sa mga original it girls of television, fashionable and witty. 2. She possesses 3 F's as a host, fierce, firm, and flexible. Kaya ang mga sensitive, heartwarming issues, and even no-holds-barred interviews, kaya niya.
Anong masasabi mo na nadawit pa ang anak mong ito sa pinagdaraanan mong problema ngayon?
Ever since kasi nung bago pa lang kami ni Chris, talagang sinabi ko na lahat sa kanya.
3. Common knowledge na athletic si Pia. Pero alam niyo bang mahilig din siyang kumain?
Yes! Matakaw ako!
4. Si Pia as a host is very reliable. Kahit saan mo ilagay, game siya.
Kasama ko po ngayon ang newly wedded couple na si Mr. and Mrs. O'Connor!
Hi!
Congratulations,
Thanks,
Sarah.
girl.
Congratulations.
5. Mukhang mang kagalang-galang, but Pia has a funny bungis-ngis side. Ika nga, kikay.
5 years from now, where do you see yourselves?
Probably picking up clothes, shouting at like a 3-year-old.
6. Pia also showed to us her human side by proving that she also gets bruised and hurt with personal issues.
Kumbaga sa kalye o sa building, we are under construction right now. So, I really want to ask everyone's understanding right now.
7. In her career and personal life, Pia is no doubt a go-getter. Kaya marami sa kanyang mga kapuso ang natutuwa sa masayang buhay niya bilang isang misis at soon-to-be mommy. And as she prepares for motherhood to baby Scarlett, Pia's hosting career takes a backseat.
Girl, excited na ang lahat and I know you'll have a very good delivery and excited na kami para sa'yo at tigit sa lahat, excited na kaming makanlong namin si Scarlett.
Sana'y maging mahusay at mapag-alaga siyang ina na alam ko naman mangyayari. Wish her all the best.
So I'm sure maging athletic din yung baby niyo. Baka masel-masel na yan paglabas.
Marunong ka na magluto, girl! I'm so proud of you. I will miss you dahil wala na yung nagdadala ng salad.
I'm gonna miss her so much kasi lagi kaming magkachika. Pia, I have no doubt that you will be a wonderful mother and I can't wait to see how cute your baby Scarlett is gonna be.
Mamimiss na yung tiyan niya na hindi namin makita pag nakatalikod. Congratulations sa inyo at sa mister mo. Ang wish ko para sa inyo, makahanap na kayo ng nickname para sa baby. Yung Let-Let ha, tanda. Let-Let.
I'm sure you guys are gonna be great parents. I'm sure you're gonna be a good mommy. And I'll help you think of a nickname para hindi Let-Let.
Ang gandang-ganda mo pa rin, mga anak ka pero parang hindi ka pa rin buntis. Pero good luck and may you have many more to come.
Hi Pia, as they say, with endings come new beginnings. I know you will be full of love and happiness with your husband and baby-to-be. Take care, and we wish you good health and happiness always. We'll see you soon.
Mula sa iyong Showbiz Central family, congratulations, Mommy Pia! Mga kapuso, by next month, isa na ang certified mommy ang ating kapusong si Pia Guanyo Mago. Pia, congratulations.
Thanks, guys. I'm having a hard time getting used to the mommy Pia part. I have one month to get used to it.
1 month pa bago mo masanay na marinig yung Mommy Pia.
Yeah. Well, first of all, I want to thank everyone in the video. Thanks for the kind words, guys, and the great wishes. Ma'am Avin, thank you.
Gusto mo yung yung look back namin na yung mga wacky photos mo nandun talaga.
I hate look back photos and videos. Can we not do this again?
Eto na, Pia, kasi usapan natin, tatapusin natin itong Showbiz Central, but apparently, today is your last day sa show. So, sa mga fans mo, yung mga Pianatics nagtatanong, Bakit naman agad-agad? Ano yung doctor's advice na, no?
Doctor's orders.
Kasi pati sa Eat Bulaga last week.
Yeah,
diba?
I already filed my leave na rin sa Eat Bulaga on Friday. I just have to finish the end of the month, till the end of the month sa 24 oras. Kasi mas mahirap humanap ng pinch hitter sa 24 oras.
Yes.
Truth be told. And honestly, it's also like easier to do that show.
Yes.
Kasi sa Eat Bulaga, we have to be up and about, we're running
More active.
around.
Oo.
Yeah, this show is quite long naman. Tapos, 24 oras naman is just like an hour long.
Mabilis lang. So,
Yeah,
tapos
and
ka.
I'm all like 5 minutes of it. So,
O yun naman pala, sa mga fans ni Pia, mga Pianatics, may 24 oras pa hanggang July 31.
yeah, right now kasi the doctor is king.
Oo.
So,
Ano exactly yung advice ng doctor sa'yo?
well, now that I'm 8 months pregnant today, tama ba, Pianatics? Magaling magbilang na
Sila yung
itong mga
taga-bilang,
to eh.
O parang crucial yata yung 8 months Alam ko, lagi ko naririnig yan.
Yeah, well, I have to take extra care because ayoko naman na preterm yung labor and delivery ko.
Yes.
And then secondly, I also have a lot of things to get ready, like
Yes.
the nursery for instance. Buti nga, Eat Bulaga gave me my first few baby things, as in, at saka si Joey De Leon. Otherwise, ano pa rin, 0 pa rin yung score ni Scarlett. And then yesterday, we had a baby shower as well. Thank you to all the guests who came. And today.
At ang showbiz na
Eto na, speaking of kailangan ng gamit.
O teka muna, yung tanong muna, ano na finally yung second name niya na letter J? Di ba yun ang usapan ninyo?
Yes. Sorry, Nelson. Nauna na. Kasi si Nelson Canlas was there yesterday. And it was actually gonna be a scoop. Kasi hindi ko akalain na ilalagay. My mother-in-law actually threw the baby shower for me. So thank you to the Magos for the very beautiful shower. Kaya lang binuking ako ng mother-in-law ko. Nilagay na niya Scarlett Janine is the second name. So
Scarlett
kompleto na,
Janine.
may S na, may J.
There you go.
At ang nickname, bakit ayaw mo yung Letles? Gusto ng Dapper Cats yung
Hindi,
Letles.
gusto ni Michael V, ayaw ni Solen.
Papatayin ako ng mga let-let sa mundo, di ba? Pero, we've decided Carl because
Correct.
it's cute na...
Kasi yung Carl parang Joey, pwedeng lalaki, pwedeng babae.
Oo. So,
Si
please,
Joey De
let's
Leon,
make it
nagsuggest siya
Carl.
before Jada daw. Bakit hindi na-approve yung Jada?
Well, although it's very thoughtful of him to... Talagang inisip niya to on his own. Kasi nga, Scarlett is red, Jada is from jade, which is green. Christmas color sana. I kind of preferred Janine because it's French. It's a French name which means God is gracious.
Okay.
So it means more to me dahil ever since me and Steve got together, talaga namang God has been pouring out His graces. Dahil from the time we met, till we got engaged, through the wedding, and this no complication pregnancy, todo-todo yung grasya ng Diyos
Yung
sa aming
blessings
dalawa.
talaga tuloy-tuloy.
So, I thought it was apt talaga to
Perfect nga naman yung
give
Janine.
glory to God for this.
Yung Scarlett, meron bang meaning din yun?
Scarlett is red.
Red lang, di ba yun?
Pero si Steve kasi nagbigay nun eh. So, yun na yun.
Ate Pia, ready ka na ba sa panganganak? Emotionally, ready ka na ba?
Yeah, I've been reading up on it. And truth be told, I'm so glad na hindi ako scared to death. I thought I would be, but I'm quite just curious about it. Gusto ko lang maramdaman, ano ba talaga tong labor na to? Is it really gonna hurt? But
Ganito yan.
How do you prepare? How do you prepare to become a mom? Ikaw ba, do you play with children now? Do you carry
papractice sa
babies?
manika? Ganun
Ano ba yung mga paghahanda na ginagawa mo na para paglabas ni baby Scarlett Janine, you are well prepared to handle a baby?
I'm reading
Baby books.
how to bring up children books.
Okay.
So, as in like the French way, the American way, pagsasama-samahin na the Pinoy way, of course, you get lots of that
Advice.
from your relatives. So, hindi tayo makukulangan ng mga pagkukunan ng
Information.
So, malapit ng 1 month to go.
Oo.
Kayo, ano ba? Nag-usap naman kayo ni Steve? Lamas? Natural? Ano ba yung mga...
Ay, nako, hindi. I plan to use all aspects of science and technology on this.
Ay, pinakamadali. Go.
Diba? May dahilan kung bakit
Hindi ka na
na-develop yun.
makakapag-two-piece. Di ba ganun daw yun pag cesarean?
Hindi, meron ng bikini cut. Ako ganun ako. Bikini cut, ang dami nang
Oh, naku,
naiisip
ikwento mo lahat kay Pia yan.
Mamaya. Yeah, but
Para-
hopefully it's a normal delivery para also the recovery is faster. I can be with you guys sooner. Also in
yes.
Itbulaga.
Okay. Now, after the delivery, kagad yan? Baptism. Meron ka na bang naiisip na mga ninong at ninang for baby Scarlett?
Oo, meron na ba ang line-up?
I have some names in mind, but since hindi ko pa sila nasasabihan, I'd really like for them to know first
Okay.
from us.
Wag naman dito kaagad, agad-agad dito sila sinabihan,
Tapos
diba?
nanonood sila ng TV. Uy, ninong pala ako. So, I'll let them know first.
Yes.
Alright, ano muna? Yung mga regalo na muna namin.
Okay, mga regalo
Pwede
muna.
na ba yung mga regalo natin?
Go.
Okay. Sa pagbabalik po ng yan, special na baby shower for Miss Pia Guanyo. And at the same time, ang parang last episode niya sa Showbiz Central. Makakausap po natin ang si husband, Mr. Steve Mago, at mga special yung mga gifts na ibibigay natin. Lahat pong yan sa pagbabalik ng Showbiz Central. Diyan lang kayo.